Yo, what's up, guys? This is Victor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you are from Uganda and you are looking for a very safer place to purchase your crypto coin, I have a good opportunity and then a good regulated platform where you'll be able to purchase your crypto coin, and you don't even need your ID verification or anything. So, one thing about this platform is that you don't need your passport, you don't need any driver's license or any account registration at all. You don't need any one of those things. So, it's a platform where you just enter your name and your WhatsApp number, and they will just attend to you and send this coin to you. So it is 100% safe right now, and then you'll be able to purchase any coin that you want to purchase. And one thing about this platform again is that you can actually sell any crypto coin that you want to sell to them, and they will be sending the money right to your mobile money. So if you are in Uganda and you are thinking about how you'll be able to send money from Uganda to Ghana, just remember that Ghana and Uganda are using the same network. So with your Airtel Tigo, with your MTN, they are all mobile money or Momo, and you can equally send money from Uganda to Ghana over here. And once the money arrives, you'll be able to get USDT in return. So what this platform is about is that they are buying cryptocurrencies from people, and they are again selling cryptocurrency to people at a very regulated price. And it is very simple for anybody to purchase and hold any crypto coin of their choice. Maybe you do not have Binance, you do not have Trust Wallet, you do not have Kraken and the rest. Maybe you are in Uganda and then you don't have any one of those things. That's because you do not have passport, or these account creation details are over you, which you do not have. So that's why you are unable to purchase any crypto coin. So this platform is here, and it will help you in everything that you want to do, and you don't need any account creation. But before I move to the platform, let me just show you this thing over here. So people have been worrying our platform with these details over here. You can see, as you can see, right, these are fake monies that people have inside their Trust Wallet and the rest, which they want to withdraw. But Crypto VI Pro is not taking this one, so this one is fake. So people holding this type of wallet are not attended to on Crypto VI Pro. It is very fake. So let me just move to the point. So we have Crypto VI Pro over here, and then as you can see, this is a platform where you'll be able to purchase any crypto coin of your choice, and it is currently in Ghana. They say Ghana's best, biggest and most reliable exchange where you'll be able to purchase any crypto coin of your choice. But right now Uganda is also entering the list, and very soon we'll change it to Africa's best crypto coin purchases or buyers from people. So it is very simple. All you need to do is just enter your name, and you do not even need to be 18 years old and above. You don't even need to have passport, you don't need to create an account. All you need to do is just make an order. Just click on this place, trade now, and once you click on that place, you'll be asked to enter your details. So you can buy, you can sell. So you just click on this place and then you click on buy. That's if you want to buy, and you move ahead to enter this place. So any coin that you want to buy, you just enter it. So let me just enter BTC over here, and I'll just enter MTN, any one of these things over here. So it is very simple for you to purchase, and the money will be directly transferred to Ghana, and then you get USDT in return. So maybe you want to buy 100 USDT worth of BTC, so 100 USDT here, and then you just enter your address over here. So address from the platform where you want to deposit your money, and then you enter your name. So your name, like Agofa Victor, and you just enter WhatsApp number. So WhatsApp number is very important. So WhatsApp number is very important, because this platform is actually regulated manually. So they will need to contact you on WhatsApp so that they can receive the rest of your details, so that they can attend to you. So this platform is 100% safe, because I am actually part of the management. So it is very good that you use a platform that is known by everybody. But this one is just starting up, and I'm actually part of the management, so there's no need to fear anything over here. Just send your money from Uganda to Ghana to this platform, and they will just be sending the USDT to your account or any wallet at all that you have submitted to them. And then it is very simple. So just move off to this place, and then you click on I'm not a robot, and once you do that, you just click on trade. So click on trade, and they will say that thanks for choosing to trade with us, and then you'll be promptly attended to via WhatsApp or email. So once you receive this, now you just have to wait for a few minutes, and they'll be chatting you on WhatsApp, and the next thing that they will say to you is that how much do you want to buy, just as you have stated. So they will need you to confirm that, and you just send the money. They will ask you, they will tell you how much it is, and you just send the money to the wallet and you just send the money to the number that they have submitted to you. And after sending the money, they will ask you to enter the address that you want them to send the money to, or the USDT to. So you just enter the USDT wallet address, you just send it to them, and they will send the USDT directly to that platform for you. So if you want to deposit on Trust Wallet, you want to deposit on Bybit or any platform, just use this platform, this crypto vi pro, and it is very very simple. They will attend to you and you'll be cool with it. So that's it. If you're in Ghana and then you are looking for a perfect platform to purchase and sell your crypto coin, crypto vi pro should be your first point of call, and they will always be available to attend to you at any moment. But remember, this platform is manual, so maybe there can be delays in your orders, but it will not exceed 1 hour. So just be sure that this platform is working perfectly and they will not do any harm to you. So very very simple. Just go off here, make an order, and you'll be cool with it. So you can read many details about these platforms and you'll be cool with it. So meet you in my next videos. Shalom.